In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a Slack group. Whether you're setting up a group for a project, a department, or an interest team, the right name is crucial. It helps team members quickly identify which group they're interacting with and ensure effective communication across your workspace. Let's dive into the process step by step and make this as seamless as possible. Firstly, let's navigate to the Slack website. If you're not familiar with this platform, just type Slack into your browser, or you can click on the link in the description. Once you're there, the next thing you'll need to do is sign in. For simplicity, we'll use the sign in with Google option, which streamlines the process by connecting directly to your Google account. Now that we're inside Slack, we're going to head over to our main dashboard. This is essentially your Slack control center, where you can access all the features Slack has to offer. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. It can really save you time in the future. Once in the dashboard, your next step is to click on your profile. You can usually find this in the upper right hand corner of your screen. From there, go to account settings. These settings control your preferences and allow you to manage various aspects of your Slack experience. Moving forward, you need to click on account and profile. This section is where you'll find detailed options related to your personal and group settings within Slack. Next, we're diving into more specific territory by clicking on user groups. User groups in Slack are a fantastic way to organize different teams or interest groups within your organization, and naming them accurately is key. So our next step is to click on Edit User Groups. This allows you to modify existing groups or set up new ones as needed. Once you've opened the list of user groups, click on Edit Group Info. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see all the current details of the group, including its name. Click exactly where it says Name. This will enable you to type in a new name for the group. Choose something descriptive and succinct to ensure that everyone can easily identify the group's purpose at a glance. Finally, after making your changes, remember to save. Always check back to ensure your updates have been made successfully. It's a good idea to inform the group members about the naming changes if significant, so everyone stays on the same page. And there you have it, a clear and straightforward way to name a Slack group, streamlining your communication efforts and keeping your workspace organized. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one.